Time for Copper to get his midsummer trim. Copper says, skip the groomer. Buy more treats. The money saved by this great deal on this 3-in-1 pet clipper and nail grinder. Not only grinds, but polishes those nails, nice and shiny. While it's not his favorite thing, he was pleasantly surprised by how quiet it is. No tugs, no pulls. It glides smoothly as it cuts big and small areas with the interchangeable clipper heads. Check it out in our showcase or click the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. Get yours today.